Today, we're demystifying the process of buying Bitcoin on OKX, a premier cryptocurrency exchange. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will equip you with the knowledge you need to start your Bitcoin journey. Let's get started by creating an account on OKX if you haven't already done so. Don't worry, it's quick and easy. From the OKX homepage, the link is also in the description below. Go to the sign up button in the top right corner. And from here, you'll need to enter an email address. OKX will also ask you to verify your identity, which you can do by giving them a passport or an identification card to comply with all anti-money laundering laws. Once you've signed up and logged into your OKX account, you'll gain access to a wealth of trading options and features. Take a moment to explore the platform and familiarize yourself with its layout. From the Preferences tab, you can select your language, currency, stablecoin preference, as well as the colors of the chart that you prefer. You can also adjust the time zone that you're in to match your location. Before you can start buying Bitcoin, you'll need to deposit funds into your OKX wallet. Navigate to the Assets tab and go to Deposit, and select the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit. You can choose between USD Coin, USD Tether, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. Follow the instructions to complete the deposit process securely. You are also able to deposit fiat currency using the Euro tab. You are also able to deposit fiat currency using any payment method that you want by going to the Euro tab. From the Order Center, you can see a list of all of your transactions in one place, as well as a history that you can access anytime. Now, let's dive into the exciting part, buying Bitcoin. Head over to the Buy Crypto tab and go to Express Buy, and select the fiat currency that you want to use to buy crypto, as well as the amount. Next, select the cryptocurrency that you want to purchase. Then, review your order details to confirm the accuracy. Review your order details carefully and click Buy to confirm your purchase. Voila! You successfully bought Bitcoin on OKX. You can now view your Bitcoin balance in the Assets or Wallet section of your account. If you want to place limit trades or spot orders, you can also go to the Trade section to place a trade in real time. First, select the trading pair for Bitcoin using the fiat currency of your choice. If you're using fiat currency, look for the BTC USD or BTC EUR trading pair. Now, enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to buy and choose the type of order that suits your trading strategy. You can either enter the amount of Bitcoin, or you can select the total amount of dollars that you want to spend. You can opt for a market order for instant execution at the current market price, or a limit order to specify the price at which you're willing to buy. Review your order details carefully and click Buy to confirm your purchase. And voila, you successfully initiated a limit or market order, and your order will execute at the price you selected. You can now view your Bitcoin balance in the Assets or Wallet section of your account. Now that you've acquired Bitcoin, it's crucial to keep it safe and secure. Consider transferring your Bitcoin to a hardware wallet for added security, and enable two-factor authentication to protect your OKX account from unauthorized access. You can accomplish this by going to your profile and security settings. And from here, go down to Advanced Security and enable two-factor authentication. You can turn on two-factor authentication using the Google Authenticator app or your own authenticator app, or also turn on SMS two-factor authentication from your security settings. Additionally, you can use email authentication to receive authentication codes. Congratulations on mastering the art of buying Bitcoin on OKX. We hope you found this tutorial helpful on your journey into the world of cryptocurrencies. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, tips, and insights. Until next time, happy trading.